friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making crescent roll pizza. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy recipe, here are the ingredients we need. Refrigerated can of crescent rolls, tomato sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and any additional toppings you'd like. I'm going to use pepperoni slices, and this is optional. So if you don't have pepperoni, you just need to make, you can make cheese pizza. You can also add chopped veggies for veggie pizza, totally up to you. So here I have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup, and also parchment paper is great so pizza doesn't stick to it. And now I'm going to open the can of the crescent rolls. So we're not going to separate into rolls. We actually need the whole sheet of dough. So let's roll it out, keeping it as one sheet of dough. And then the pieces that separate, just press it together. So it's going to be a rectangle shaped pizza. So now the pizza dough is prepared. I closed up all the holes here. And the next step would be to spread the tomato sauce. And this is a great way to use up leftover pizza sauce or pasta sauce. As you can see, I just have some left over from making a different recipe. So here, let's spread it. I'm going to leave the dough ends. This is just for looks, depending on how you want your pizza to look. If you don't want that, you can just spread it out all the way. And now I'll sprinkle it with shredded mozzarella. So use as much cheese as you like. You know, some people like more cheese, some people less. But you can't go wrong with lots of cheese. I love cheese. Perfect. And now add the toppings. So I'm going to add some pepperoni slices. And now the pizza has been assembled and it's ready for baking. So let's put it in the oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So now the crescent roll pizza has been baking for 12 minutes and 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready. Take a look, it looks amazing. So nicely browned, perfectly cooked. And it was so quick and easy, it looks great. Let it just have cool down a little bit, and I'm going to try it. So now it's cooled down a little bit and I'm going to try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love pizza. So let me just cut a piece. Perfect. Look at this gooey cheese. And now let's try it. So good. It's still hot, but it's so delicious. This hot pizza with a tender crust and gooey cheese, so flavorful, so good. Crescent rolls make perfect crust, and this is so quick and easy to make. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!